All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Outdoorsman's Garage YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to reset your solar if your system goes offline. So stand by. Okay, so on the side of my house, never mind the weeds that need to be taken care of and the paint that needs to be refreshed. We're not talking about that today. This is your battery. Opening the door to the battery. I already did the clip on the side because it's kind of a pain in the ass. But you got little indicator lights in there and down here, just to kind of give you an idea as to what that looks like inside if you haven't looked already. And then you have your PV system disconnect, your little brain box, your computer. I have two breaker boxes and another shutoff. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over here, you're going to shut this down, and there's a little knob in here. See the little black knob? Let's see if I can get it from the side. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to push that little knob to the right. And then you're going to come over here and you're going to pull this down to the off position. And after you do that, you can get into your breakers and you can start shutting your breakers down. That's what the inside of my boxes look like. And what I did was I shut all the small ones down first and then I went for the bigger ones. You don't have to do it that way, but that's how I did it. I did the same thing on this box. I shut all the small ones down and then the big one. And you just wait about 5 minutes or so. And you come over here and you're gonna pull that little lever back to the left. And you're gonna turn this to the on position. You're gonna come over here and pull this back up to the on position. And you're gonna let it do its thing for a minute. And what it'll do, you'll hear some clicking and popping, and that's the system rebooting itself. Once those lights, you're gonna look in here, once those lights stop blinking and they turn solid, then you're gonna start flipping your breakers. Make sure that, I did it in reverse order. I did all the small ones first, put them back on, did the big ones in both boxes, and by the time I got back in the house, it was already reset and everything was back online. That's how you do that. All right, so we're back in the garage here, basically to get out of the wind. Hopefully the wind didn't destroy this video, but I felt like it needed to be done as soon as possible so that the information was still fresh in my mind on how to do it. We had a problem with somebody hit a pole, and they either hit a pole or a transformer. I'm not really sure which one, but our power went out, and then it came back on, but only half the system came back on. So we had to figure out how to reset the system. After we figured out that there is no 1-800 information center or anything like that available to anyone to walk you through the process of how to reset that solar, which there should be, because we, just like a lot of other people, are making payments on the solar. So, I mean, oh, it's sweating. We're making payments on the solar, so you'd figure there'd be somebody available to help us, but there isn't. Our company is Sunrun, and The only thing they have is a website where you can sign up for solar or make a payment. But anything else, you're screwed until their next work day. So you either lose everything in your freezer or you figure out how to do it yourself, and that's what we did. But anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. We love you. We'll catch you next time. If you like these videos and it helped you out, make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, punch the bell in the face for notifications, and leave a comment because we like to talk to you guys. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.